I stay in Zheng'an. Today, 1 in every 7 guitar is made in Zheng'an. So I needed to be a part of this amazing project.
My name is Johannes Möller. I am from Sweden and I am a classical guitarist and composer. I stayed in Zheng'an for 8 years now. My work here is really interesting and has many different aspects, including teaching, performing, composing. Well, for the last year and a half, I have been teaching the local guitar teachers, and by improving their skill, we're now letting them teach a lot of children around China.
我们是正安古典乐团，他们都我们的本地的老师们，我们也很好的朋友，还有很好的时间弹吉他，但是杨平原、郑嘉音。We were very proud this year. We got the first prize
of the Shanghai International Guitar Festival.
都努力，我们都开心。
在我学习的过程之后呢，我会去给我的学生教学。这样的话，把这种中国音乐变成吉他音乐，让学生感觉吉他呢更有兴趣了。
I've been fascinated by Chinese culture since a very young age. Chinese culture is very vast, very ancient, and very rich. It brought me so much happiness and inspiration. I have composed a lot of pieces based on Chinese music. Those pieces have been very popular also abroad.
We really loved his concert. It was so different from anything else that we heard something completely new.
It's just a wonderful, gigantic piece that we've absolutely fallen in love with. It's new, it's interesting, it's different, it contrasts with everything else, and it's been a favorite with audiences.
And what's very important for me is that when I go abroad and perform, I'm also bringing with me Chinese music through the guitar. Working and living here in China has brought a lot of joy to me. Every day is a new adventure. Huizhou in particular, the music is very rich. Every minority group has its own unique musical expression. So, I had an idea of combining guitar with Mal ethnic elements. The meowing guitar is just like a regular guitar, but usually some areas have some kind of decoration. You can see inserted this very, very beautiful silver here. I'm really happy to have Zhang here. He's a good friend, and he also shares with me the passion of making really good guitars, and also share the passion of trying new experimental things. I often call my mom, share my life and work with her. She's very happy for me. Yeah, that is for electricity. Not so pretty. The support of the local government plays a really important role in the development of Zheng'an.
中西文化交融，会让正安这个地方结出更好的文化成果，让正安更加具有生命力。
I feel really lucky to be here. I am a Zheng'an fan now. I'm a Zheng'an person. Guitar has grown tremendously in China. We'll naturally start playing. This place is about building guitar culture and also giving a home to the guitar in China. I definitely see my future here in China rather than anywhere else.